This is MEI Statistics Minor, Discrete Random Variables 2, the Poisson Distribution. 2.2, Working Out Probabilities. So we found in the previous video that this is our probability mass function for a Poisson distribution. And this is how we present the fact that it's a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. And we recall that that lambda represented the average rate of events happening in a particular time period. So, we're told here that the number of cars passing a point on a road in a 5-minute period may be modelled by a Poisson distribution with parameter 4. We recall that that is equal to lambda, and that represents the average number of cars per 5-minute period. And from that, we may be asked to find the probability that in a 5-minute period, 2 cars go past. So, first of all, we declare that x is distributed as a Poisson distribution with parameter average rate 4. We then need to use the formula. So the probability that x is equal to 2 is going to be e to the minus 4 times 4 squared over 2. Do a little bit of work. That is 8 e to the minus 4. That is lovely as a perfectly correct answer, but in statistics we normally need to round it. So pop that in your calculators. 0.147 to 3 significant figures. We might similarly be asked to find the probability that fewer than 3 cars go past. So, the long way to do this would be to say the probability that x is less than 3 is equal to the probability that x is equal to 0 plus the probability that x is equal to 1 plus the probability that x is equal to 2. Those are all the possibilities for x where that's fewer than 3 cars. And then for each of those we would put in the formula e to the minus 4 times 4 to the 0 over 0 factorial plus e to the minus 4 times 4 to the 1 over 1 factorial plus e to the minus 4 times 4 squared over 2 factorial. Pop that in your calculator and out it will pop. The better way to do that would be to use the cumulative distribution function on your calculator. You should check your calculator manual on how to do that. And if you have some IT, you can use Geogebra to do the same. You just need to go to the probability calculator and then choose the Poisson distribution. So you can choose the Poisson distribution down here. We need the parameter to be equal to 4, so we enter 4 in there. And then we want the probability strictly less than 3. So we drag this slider over here to go down to 0 and this one to go down to 2. Alternatively, you can enter it in these boxes down here and the probability appears just here, 0.2381. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the properties of the Poisson distribution.